Hey everyone! Welcome to CyberPulse-Lab. Today I'm taking you on a journey from chaos to control with Proxmox. Virtualization is more than just creating virtual machines. It's about building a controlled environment where you can experiment, learn, and grow. Proxmox isn't just a tool, it's a mindset. Setting up a Proxmox server teaches you how to create order from chaos, control complex systems, and adapt when things don't go as planned. Let's dive in. Step 1. Preparing for Proxmox installation. Before you begin, take a moment to reflect. Why are you setting up Proxmox? Virtualization gives you control over your network environment, allowing you to test and refine without consequences. Here's what you'll need before starting. A dedicated machine or server. A Proxmox ISO, download it from the official website. A USB drive, at least 8 GB for booting. Basic understanding of network configuration. Ask yourself, what's your goal? Are you setting up a home lab to practice hacking, network security, or building production systems? Clarity will shape how you approach the setup. Step 2. Installing Proxmox. Now that you're clear on your purpose, it's time to get your hands dirty. First, create a bootable USB. Use a tool like Rufus to flash the Proxmox ISO onto the USB. Plug the USB into your machine and boot from it. Start the installation by selecting Install Proxmox VE from the boot menu. Agree to the terms and select your target disk. Network configuration. Set a static IP address or DHCP, depending on your network. Configure a host name. Keep it simple, but meaningful. Create a root password. Use a strong password. Think beyond simple patterns. Reflect for a moment. Security starts at the root. Ask yourself, are you setting yourself up for long-term success or just getting it running? Taking the time to configure it properly now will save you headaches later. Step 3. Initial Proxmox configuration. Now that Proxmox is installed, it's time to lay the foundation. Access the web. Interface. Open your browser and navigate to https://8006. Log in using the root credentials. Update and upgrade Proxmox. Open the shell and run. apt update and apt upgrade. Why? This ensures you have the latest security patches and features. Configure a storage pool. Go to Data Center. Storage. Add a local storage pool for your VMs and backups. Set up a bridge for networking. A bridge allows your VMs to communicate with the network. Configure it under Network. Create Linux Bridge. Ask yourself, what kind of network environment are you building? Are you creating an isolated lab or a real-world simulation? Be intentional with your choices. Step 4. Creating and managing VMs. Proxmox gives you the power to create, but with creation comes responsibility. Create a new VM, go to Data Center. Create VM. Select storage, assign CPU and RAM resources. Attach an installation ISO for your desired OS. Set network and disk settings. Assign the VM to your network bridge. Configure storage type based on performance needs. Start the VM, power it on, and begin the OS installation. Snapshot for safety. Before testing configurations or installing new software, create a snapshot. This allows you to roll back if things go wrong. Reflect, are you building with purpose or just creating for the sake of it? Every VM you create should have a role in your lab. Step 5. Maintaining and scaling Proxmox. Setting up Proxmox is one thing, mastering it is another. Monitor performance. Use Proxmox's built-in performance stats. Optimize CPU, RAM, and disk allocation based on usage. Backup regularly. Set up automated backups using Proxmox's built-in scheduler. Store backups in a separate storage pool or off-site. Create high availability, optional. If you're running multiple nodes, enable HA to keep your lab online during failures. Take a moment to reflect. What's your next step? Will you build a cluster, add more nodes, or optimize existing configurations? Growth comes from intentional progress. Closing and call to action. Setting up Proxmox isn't just about creating virtual machines. It's about creating a controlled space where you can grow, experiment, and sharpen your skills. Thanks for tuning in to CyberPulse-Lab. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing with Proxmox.